Hi, my Beekman Eagles. Welcome to Miss Woodward Reads. Today, I'm reading a counting book that takes place in Japan, and it's really cool because the book is written in haikus. Haikus are a part of Japanese poetry that use only 3 lines. The first line has 5 syllables, the second line has 7 syllables, and the last line has 5 syllables. So they're very short poems. Well, what's a syllable? It's a sound in a word. So if I read the title of the book, One Leaf Rides the Wind, I can figure out, this is how I do it, how many syllables are in the title. Some people clap or snap. I put my hand right below my chin, and every time my chin touches my hand, that's a syllable. One leaf rides the wind. How many syllables was that? One leaf rides the wind. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 syllables. Wow, because my chin touched my hand 5 times. Some words have more than 1 syllable. Sometimes they have 2 or 3 syllables. But each of these words only had 1 syllable. So today we're going to Japan and we're going to learn some counting, but also some poetry. Wow, and look at the illustrations, the artwork in One Leaf Rides the Wind. The author is Celeste Davidson Mannis. The illustrator is Susan Kathleen Hartung. One leaf rides the wind. Quick as I am, it's quicker, just beyond my grasp. So the first line has 5 syllables, the second line has 7 syllables, and the last line has 5 syllables. And we're counting, so here we are at 1 leaf. What comes next? 2. This is cool. 2 carved temple dogs snarling over my shoulder. Sit, guard the garden. You can use haiku poetry in a lot of different ways. I really like that this author uses descriptive words. I think that's a really great way to create haiku poetry. 3, suddenly I'm tall, a miniature forest, 3 pots on a wall. 4, from eaves to blue skies, 4 startled birds take flight. Shoo! A cat prowls the roof. See the cat up there? I think the cat scared the birds. Number comes next. 5. Smiling pagoda, 5 roofs stretch to the heavens. We shelter beneath. That's a pagoda. Isn't that cool? It's a type of Japanese structure that you would see if you went to a Japanese garden. 6. Outside the tea house, 6 wooden sandals gathered neatly in a row. In Japan, it is part of having really good manners to leave your shoes outside of somebody's home or tea house before you come in. So we have 6 sets of shoes outside of the tea house. 7. On a lacquered tray, 7 sweet surprises lie. Hungry tummies growl. And it looks like I see some sushi. Anybody ever eat sushi? That's like fish and rice and even seaweed. And that's actually really healthy for you. 8. What do flowers dream? Adrift on 8 pond pillows. Pink-cheeked blossoms rest. Look at the lily pads. Those are very pretty. I like that illustration. It's very calming. And I like the colors. 9. What's on her back? A bird. Hoping for some crumbs, they nibble at my fingers. 9 glittering koi. Koi is a type of Japanese fish, and you can see it in the pond. 10. 10 lanterns waiting. When darkness falls, they sparkle. Please to light the way. 1 leaf rides the wind. Quick as it is, I'm quicker. I reach for the sky. The end. I like this book. So if you're interested in poetry, I highly suggest this book because it can help you learn how to use your description words and just thinking outside the box to create different types of poetry. Haikus are very short, so you have to be really concise with the words you're using, okay? So if you like this book, check it out. One Leaf Rides the Wind. Thank you, my Beekman Town Eagles.